This is the microscopy facility as part of YC Core. YC Core is a core analytical facility operated by the Faculty of Science. It provides researchers within the Faculty of Science as well as other faculties such as Faculty of Health, LaSalle School of Engineering, and even the Arts, Media, and Performance Design with instrumentation to look at their samples with high resolution.
We've been using the Advanced Light and Electron Microscopy facility remotely. There are cameras in each of the microscope rooms, and we're able to get help to use the software, to use the microscope and get the images that we desire.
The microscopes can be accessed remotely, and that was a huge edge for us in terms of our work. Some of the measures that were put in place, such as having only one person in at one time and using Zoom or Teams.
There's sanitizing, we clean up after ourselves after we're there. We sanitize before we go in, so everything has been safe.
We have scientists using the instrument behind me, the environmental scanning electron microscope, to look at their surface material, different polymers. We have scientists who want to look and image viruses, bacteria, and even bee specimens.
We had a student from my lab, myself, as well as the microscope technician. We all collaborated together over Zoom, and we're able to create some wonderful images that I didn't think I was capable of, creating, but we were able to collaborate through that.
I don't think we would have gotten such sharp images without having that capability. Despite the limitations, we're carrying on, and I would say we're almost back to normal of where we were when we left the research.
We've had the time to actually catch up on the things that we've missed out on in order to get us to the next step.